Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by prepping hair and creating clear sections because clean foundation prevents snags. Start on one section, part a small horizontal row, then detangle that row thoroughly. Apply a light leave-in or gel so your fingers glide. Take your extension and align it with the natural hair, place it about 0.5 to 1 inch from the scalp to start knotless tension. Once set, hold the natural hair and extension together, and immediately begin the feed-in process so the braid forms smoothly. You continue by mastering the feed-in rhythm. Split the natural hair into 3 equal parts, then cross as in a regular braid. Make your first addition small, a thin piece of extension, so the braid starts light near the root. Once done, add slightly larger pieces as you move down, maintaining even, gentle tension to avoid scalp pulling. Make sure to smooth each addition with your fingers. This reduces bumps. Keep your hands close to the base for control, and vary pressure for a seamless look. You finish by securing the end neatly and blending any loose hairs for a professional result. Once you reach the tip, either tie with a small elastic or, for synthetic hair, dip the ends briefly in hot water to seal. Then trim stray pieces and apply a little edge control at the hairline to frame the face. If you notice lumps or uneven tension, stop, undo the last few feeds, smooth the natural hair and use smaller extension pieces. Rebraid with softer tension to correct it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.